Hello, mucus, my old friend. Sucks to taste you once again. Slimy discharge slowly seeping, covered my face while I was sleeping, and the sniffing that keeps me up all night just ain't right. It's the sound of sinus. Green sludge is dripping off my chin. Can't take the state it puts me in. As it landed on my plate, ruined everything I ever ate. When it hits the floor, it makes me slip and slide. Oh, what a ride into the sound of sinus as my infection quickly spreads, stuffing up so many heads. People sniffing without breathing, gas for air with chest heaving, blowing noses like no one even cared, or would they dare disturb the sound of sinus? Burning pain throughout my nose, this phlegm ball for forever grows. About the size of a fuzzy peach, with my finger I can't quite reach, as I'm trying so hard to catch my breath. Feels like death, and the sound of sinus. In these days I walk around, for lack of air I hit the ground. My eyes are filled and I can barely see. Oh my God, what will become of me? And the mucus that coats the membrane walls all through the fall creates the sound of sinus.